Hi, so this is a continuation of our Bluetooth connectivity video. So this video this is what we have done last week. Last video we can scan all the nearby devices, and you can list the nearby devices over here. Okay, with the name and their MAC address. Okay, so in this video we are going to connect and we are going to send the data. So as why this is late, that means, so this is for a request. So we can't run this one in emulator, so we needed two device. So I unfortunately I don't have another one device to text the send and receive messages, all those things. So but I'll show you the code how it is working, and it will work as expected, so there is not a problem. But we can't demonstrate that we are sending, because I have another iOS, but I don't have any Android device. So let me check with someone, and I'll give you some short video after this video, right? Okay, if I can possible, I can test with someone and I will let you know. Okay, so let's start with the creating an application. So we already have this one. So we have a scanning device, right? So we have to add some few permissions over here. Let me start with the permissions. So we already have Bluetooth connect scan, and Bluetooth hardware permissions. Okay, so but we have to add one more thing, is location, access locations, and Bluetooth admin. Where is it? User core location. Okay, user permission, okay, it's not Bluetooth connect, access fine location. Okay, so these two permissions, and one more thing, user permission, then it is Bluetooth admin. Okay, so these three permissions we need to add. Just we add these three permissions. Once we added these three things, and I have to modify, where is the data class? Okay, device. So I have to modify. Actually we can modify, we don't want, means we can leave it. I'll just add one connected boolean is equal to false. Okay, so I just added one variable. So once I added the variable, we can directly work on our activity. Okay, so in that activity we have to, where is it? Okay, yeah, this is our activity. Okay, so in this activity compact we are going to add a device adapter. So I'll just show you separately, like paired device and unpaired device. So now we have the big set of things. So and we have to add here also one permission. Okay, I'll just comment the permission. This is access fine location. So we will just ask the access fine location, which location we are going to add. Okay, so then in UI we have one thing, right? What is this? Recyclerview. So actually last video we did something, I think I forgot to command or something like that. So last video we have pair device, scan device, and pair device separately, right? I think we should have that. Let me check 1 second. Okay, okay, anyway, fine, we'll just add one thing over here. I'll just show you the connected device. Actually this one is fine. We'll add only one thing for connected device. So this connected device with which means the currently connected device, or whatever it is. So because I'm just going to show you the codes, because I'm not going to demonstrate, because as I said earlier. Okay, so let's say created one text view. So I'll just add one text view. Text view, match parent, not match parent, height is web content. Okay, height is web content. Okay, so this one will be like this. Okay, so once it is done, top to the bottom of this stop button. Okay, stop button, start, and we can just copy and paste this one. So we can give this ID, current device. Okay, so this current device, this will be bottom of this current device. Okay, top to the bottom of this current device, this one top to the bottom of stop one, right? Then what is that? Text connected device. Okay, so constraint is this top to the bottom of stop one. Okay, this top to will be the bottom of this one, right? Correct. Okay, something is fishy. Once again, let's see. Okay, top to the bottom of this one, this should work actually. I don't know why it is not working. Stop to the bottom of stop button. Okay, let's see. Okay, then we'll add one more thing here, not here. Okay, so we'll add one card, match parent, wrap content. Okay, so this should be a top to the bottom of current item. Okay, this height should be little 60 dp. Okay, so this top to the bottom of this one. Okay, yeah, fine. Stop button, I don't know, top to, okay, this one top to the top of parent, that's why it's an issue. Now it is good. This also top to the top of, now it is okay, now it is correct, right? Okay, margin top 10 dp. Okay, same thing here, margin top 10 dp. Then this should be id, device, current device card. Okay, so this current device card should come over here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste this one once again here, scanned device. Okay, so the scanned scan device title, so the scan device title should be here, and this current device card should be here. Okay, so let's see. So you can see the layouts, right? The scan device, the connected device. Okay, so now inside the card we are going to add two things. Okay, so actually we have already that one item, device item. Okay, so the same thing, these two things I'm just copying. I think we can copy the whole thing with constraint also, with constraint, and I can paste it over here. Okay, so you can see it over here inside. Wow, how it is looks. Okay, so based on this device name, we have a device over here. Yeah, so but we are not going to use this device. Current device. Okay, so this current device only we are going to use here. Okay, so we just added the current device, which means currently selected device. So once we added this one, okay, the layout is all set right now. So let's see with let me go and see over here. So here also, if you go into the binding thing, I think some codes are missing from the last thing, so you just check with the last video, because I don't remember we have how much we have things and all. Okay, so this is a view model. So in this view model we are going to get a paired device list, and already we have a device to live data, device list, device adapter, so we don't need a device adapter. Okay, device list is there, device live data is there, right? Okay, so then we are going to add data pair device live data is equal to mutable live data device. Okay, pair device live data mutable live data device. Okay, so then I'm going to add where so how it will work, right? When we are connecting, we have one UUID. So that is device used UUID, unique UUID. So that UUID will give to the client side. So then based on that, we will connect to the client. Once the client is connected, we will create a socket service for this mobile to that mobile. We will have a one connection like socket connection. So once the socket connection is builded, we will create a input and output stream for that socket. So through the socket, we are going to send and receive data from both mobile connections. Okay, so let me that's why we are having an socket connection. Okay, once we okay, so current socket. Okay, so current socket means current to open socket. I'm just adding. Okay, private where IDs. So we are going to get the devices. Okay, so current proxy IDs, which means it is like Bluetooth profiles or headset. So which type of profile we are going to scan? So we want to scan only the Bluetooths, or we want to scan only the mobiles, we want to scan only the laptops, like that it will be like that. So headset, gadgets, and we have majorly we need this one. What is that? A2dp dot A2dp. Okay, so this is the one. It will have the mobiles and all. Okay, so these are all headsets. So okay, so other two services we don't need actually. I just added this one. So mainly this one you need, just add that one. So once you added the proxies, we have one UUID like private where UID is equal to okay, yeah. So let me check. I already used this one. Okay, yeah. So this is the UUID actually. So if you can use the same UUID, try to use the same UUID, or I will tell you how to find the UUIDs also. Okay, so we have current socket is there, private, well, not private actually, ECTD connected device, mutable live data device. Okay, so it's equal to mutable live data device, mutable live data device. So we are this is the connected device. We are going to observe this in an activity, and we will replicate it in a UI. Okay, so for connected device, so those are all just I'm showing you how to work on this. And then there is a scan. Okay, so there is a scan device. So but we will scan first, we'll get the pair device first, and we will get the all the proxies device. Okay, so first of all, private fun get devices. Okay, so in this one, Bluetooth adapter, bonded devices. So bonded device means it is already paired devices. Okay, already paired devices. So we are converting the input to our data class. Okay, comma dot address. Okay, so then also pair device live data dot post. Okay, devices. So why we can't send the devices? Okay, pair device list is okay. Pair device live data is like list of devices. Okay, so list of devices. So we are going to send this is as a list of devices we are sending. Okay, so once it is there, then we are going to get private fun profile proxy. So profile proxy means it will collect all the currently available devices. So okay, currently available devices. So we have a list, right? So list means we have a category. These are all categories. So it will filter, go by one categories. Okay. So first we are going to create profile proxy IDs dot for each. Okay. Profile ID. Okay. Then Bluetooth adapter dot get profile proxy. So inside profile proxy we are going to set application context, then object.bluetooth service. Okay, open. So there will be two implementation methods, so we are going to implement two methods. Okay, so once we implemented two methods, we have to only two parameter we pass, right? One more parameter over there. Okay, that is profile ID. Okay, so profile ID is, okay, once again, okay, profile ID is nothing but the item which is over here. So this is one profile ID. So this is the array of profile IDs. So if you want only for this category, we can directly paste like this. That is not a problem. So but we are going through each category, right? So for now, that's why I am doing like this. Okay, so on service connected, on service disconnected. Okay, so in this on service connected, we are going to check if profile ID is equal to profile. Where is that? Profile will come as an input, right? Where is it? Okay, profile. So this P1 it proxy. Okay, profile is Bluetooth profile dot A2D. Okay, so only this one we are getting. Okay, proxy dot connected device. Okay, so now we are getting the proxy dot connected device. Then if device dot is null or empty. So actually it is not null or empty, so we are adding not over here. Connected device dot post value dot device name, and this one is connected is true. Okay, so is connected is true, we are adding is connected true, and the device we are passing. Okay, so this is fine. Then we are going to add inside here Bluetooth adapter dot close proxy. Okay, profile proxy. So because we already get the connection, so once we got the connection means we are after crossing the getting the connection, we are closing the proxies. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so we are done with this. So start scan we are having. So this is the normal start scan. So once it is this, get paired device also we are going to get over here. So and one more thing I forgot, init paired device get pair.proxy. Okay, so both things we will list over there. So next I'm going to show you how to connect to the device. Okay, so stop scan will be over here. Okay, so connecting to the device. Okay, I'm going to create one function device. Okay, so connecting to the device, I'm going to show you selected device we are getting as an input device. Okay, so selected device we are going to get as an input, and here what we are going to do, we need to check the permission if application context dot check self permission, then manifest dot permission dot Bluetooth connected. Okay, package manager dot permission granted. Okay, so if the permission is granted, so the same thing we are going to get the device. So okay, so with the device ID, so the selected device we have a device address. With the selected device address we can get a Bluetooth. Okay, so with that one we can create a socket. Okay, device So this is the connection. Actually, this is what the connection means. So it will create a connection. Though if your device is not paired, means it will ask for a pairing confirmation in that device and our device also. Once we clicked it, it will work. Okay, so this socket is connected. So once the socket is connected, so actually I'm not going to use this socket, current socket, because for stopping the connection we need that current socket. Okay, so current socket is done. So after connecting to this socket, we are going to send, for example, for now, I'm just going to show you how to send and receive data over here. Okay, so it is not about other things. So now I'm going to show you. I'm just writing over here. I'm not going to create any thread class or any coroutine class for those things. So we will do it in a separate video. For just as a very fast purpose, I'm just going to create what we can do over here right now. Okay, so okay, right here, then I'm just going to call, okay, get pair devices. Okay, no need. Okay, actually no need to call that. Then first from this socket we can get output stream and input stream. Okay, CREAM output stream is equal to output stream output stream. Okay, current socket dot output stream. Okay, input stream is equal to, okay, current socket dot input stream. So actually what will happen, through this input and output socket we are going to send and receive data. Okay, so if you are I'm just doing this for first purpose, so make sure all the validations and do it with your good validations. Okay, so for sending data, okay, for sending data, where I'm just going to message is equal to hello buddy. Okay, I'm just added this message. So for sending message, output stream dot write, okay, message as byte array. We can send only as a byte array. Okay, so I'm sending as output stream dot byte array. Okay, so this if you do like this, the message will send. But if you want to receive this message in that application, you have to write the output stream also. Okay, okay, this is receive data. Okay, well, okay, actually what they are writing is right. Buffer is equal to byte array and byte is equal to byte int input stream dot read. Okay, buffer. Okay, input stream dot read buffer. Well, receive message. Okay, receive message string dot this buffer we are going to send, offset is 0, byte is this. Okay, so then we will get the string as a message. Okay, so this here it will receive a message. Okay, so when we are sending this one from this device to that device, we have to if this code will be in that device only, it will receive the message, and make sure both will be both will be connected, because if this mobile is connected and that is not, this didn't run in that device, means you won't receive message. So make sure this process, actually this connection device process happened in both place. So this socket, this actually if this input, right, after this receive message, the code won't go back, because this will be running. Okay, this will be running because you need to make sure you are doing this in a background thread. Okay, so this will be running. Then output stream dot close, input stream dot close, then current socket dot close. Okay, so these things and all, now when you will do these things, no, after getting out of the chat, or after you don't want to send the message, if you did, if this will stop over here. Okay, once it is stop, because if this run will run and it will stop over here, it won't, this code doesn't exist. Okay, if this code does need to exist means if you do any other process of executing this one or something means this code will exit. Okay, so this code will stop means the output will receive output is ready to receive the message. Once you receive the message, it will hit over here and then it will come. Okay, so this is how it will work, the socket connections will work. So you can so both place, just make sure you connected and this code is run in both place. Then you can send this message, it will receive over there, and you, if you send this message, you receive over here. Okay, so both are Android real device, not a virtual device. Okay, fine. So after this one, connected device. Okay, try catch will add one. Catch exception. Okay, so try catch. So in this one, log d dot message. Okay, so this is how we can send the device. Okay, so now I am if you've hit this, you already we have a list, right? So in the list, by selecting any one, you can directly redirect to this connect to this device function. So it will hit and these two things will run. Okay, so we will this is for your knowledge I am just sending. So we will do a complete application, full application in further videos, because I don't have proper device properties right now, so we can't do proper examination right now. Okay, so then I'll show you how to find the UUID of the device by ourselves. So I'll show you private fun discover services. Okay, so we have a selected device. Okay, selected device. So we are going to discover a service. Okay, means let me show you first. Well, got callback is equal to its interface. Okay, interface Bluetooth gal callback. What is a callback? Callback. Okay. Okay, it should have implementation function. Where is that? Okay, on connection state change. Okay, in the connection state change. Okay, this one only we are going to do, and else also is there. Else if new state is equal to Bluetooth gal dot state disconnected. Okay, disconnected means close. Okay, okay, so this is one of the thing, and another one is not here. What is that? Override on service change, on service discovered. Okay, if Bluetooth girl dot okay, so here we are going to add for each service. Okay, it's empty. Okay, so, no, it's not for service in service, services in service now is equal to empty. Correct. Okay, so inside this for each we are going to take the current socket UUID and we can process that one. So okay, so two things you can do. So this is the UUID default, you can put this UUID and you can connect and process, and or else you will get the UUID over here. Okay, the service. Okay, service.uid. With this service.uid you can just copy the same thing, and instead of this UUID you can put this UUID and you can process. Okay, the same thing. Okay, then for disconnecting from the service, fun disconnect device catch exception. Okay, current socket dot close. Okay, so these are the functions, major functions which we can use it in your Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so unfortunately I can't test it drive or something. I can't do right now because I don't have another mobile. So we have to run this application in both the mobile and we have to check it. Okay, so make sure, I think this will be helpful. Just try. So this is not the proper way to handle this one first, because we have to connect this one and these thing and all. You need to handle it separate class, thread class. You can handle in a separate thread class. Okay, so you can find it over somewhere. I will give some links in the description. You can find it, some good documentations over there. Okay, I'll also create one complete Bluetooth setup video, send and receive application. We will do in our future videos, but it will take some time, so sorry for the delay. Okay, thank you.